Hey, what's up everybody? Brian Taylor here. So I'm over in John's office. We got a little bit different kind of project going on today. So let's drop in and see what John's got going on in CAD. John?
Hi everybody. So today we are machining a Capitol for the top of a column.
Oh, cool.
And this is what it looks like.
So this is like an old style Ionic type Capitol.
Yeah.
So it's upside down.
Yeah.
As it
yeah,
sits
it really
there.
goes. That's how it
sits
really
on the column.
sits. Yeah.
But of course we are milling it upside down on
Right.
that flat surface, so we've got a good place for it to sit.
Okay. And then let me show you the cutting pass that we need to do. That's just some of the pass.
So each one of those green lines there represents a path that the cutting tool will be moving across to create this piece. So this is a pretty cool project. This is a historic preservation piece. So building was having some remodel work done, and somebody got a little overzealous and destroyed some pieces that were not supposed to be removed. So we 3D scanned one of the existing column capitals, and then we were able to create these four pieces that we need to recreate for them. So these will be these will look like an old historic plaster Capitol when it's all said and done. So let's go check it out running on the mill. So we've just ran the first path. We're going to do a tool change, and then we'll check out the final mill path.
Yeah, like Brian said, we've already done the roughing cut. It takes out most of the stuff, but it leaves some of the corners still needing machining. So that's what we're going to do now, machine those tight corners.
Great. So here's the piece that's been rough cut. And the robot's going to do a tool change here. Swapping out the 5/8 cutter for a smaller cone-shaped cutter. And this is the one we'll do the final cut with. So it moves pretty slow here. It's going to do a touch off so that it makes sure that it knows exactly what length that tool is. That cutting bit, just so that it doesn't crash into anything. Touching off on the touchpad. Comes back up, goes back down, make sure it knows exactly what the length is. Now we'll start cutting. Super fine detail. It's barely taking anything off at the moment. You can just barely hear and see some pieces of foam flying out. And here is a piece that came off the mill a little bit ago. So this is one that's had the final pass done to it. Then our creative staff will take it and they'll do just a little bit of cleanup, and then we'll polyurea hard coat this, and it'll get painted, and then the contractor will go install it. Stay tuned for more cool videos.